Hello, and I just made myself a Minecraft potato. So this is Minecraft potato, and this guy hasn't made a channel yet. It's gonna be either monkeytom or monkeytom91 or some shit like that. I don't even know. And now we're gonna start playing SkyBlockSurvival1.1, I think, on Minecraft beta 1.8.1. There's gonna be some background noise at my place for some time, but it's gonna be gone soon. If you're really hate that background noise, you can just go to his channel. His channel is going to be in the description. They're just going to go to another room like really soon. I'm really sorry for this. So okay, let's start. So this is what's in the chest. Monkey, show your guys what's in the chest also. So yeah, that's it. We're gonna leave that in so we don't die right away. And we're gonna try making also dirt is very valuable, so Monkey, try not making it fall. So we're gonna try and make it. Oh my god.
What the hell? Oh, what?
So,
is that bedrock?
Yeah, that's where the spawn is.
Oh, right.
Where it's supposed to be.
Oh, cheers for that. I've got some dirt. Wait.
We lost dirt?
No, I got one.
Okay. So, like this. Okay, great. Okay, now we're gonna... Why'd you do that? Oh yeah, okay. Nice idea. So I'm gonna try making the what's it called? The cobblestone generator, like right away. I know how to make it since I did try before with some other people to play this map. So I kinda know some tricks.
Right, I got 3 wood, I'm gonna leave the rest.
Then
Probably.
Okay, so we also need to get dirt down there. Did you get any saplings?
No, I've not cut the rest of it down.
Oh, okay. Just
Make
wait.
a platform.
Yeah. Okay. Big enough platform. Okay, so now let's try to get it. If a log falls down, I'm gonna be so sad. But it probably won't. It's pretty much impossible.
Well, all of this side covered.
Okay, now let's just try to get the sapling. Tell me if you get a sapling. Oh, I got one. I got one. We're safe. We just need another one to be extra safe, cause. Okay.
There's one.
Yeah.
Seen it.
Great. Yeah, I got it.
You got all the dirt.
Yeah, I know. Okay, so I got 3 dirt. Okay, the grass already came down. That's good. So, also, I'm gonna need to do this. Take the 2 ice. Also gonna take the melon, turn it into melon seeds. Good. And put the melon seeds back in. So now we're gonna need to go make an infinite cobble thingy. So where are we gonna make that?
I think...
I'm gonna make it out of wooden planks. Since dirt is way more valuable.
Yeah, but wooden will burn.
What?
It'll burn.
No, it won't burn. Because I'm not gonna make it out of wood. The actual generator is not gonna be out of wood.
Oh right, you're making a infinite water source.
Yeah. There we go. Wow, Minecraft crashed. We're right back. Okay guys, I'm back, and now we have done this. Now I'm just gonna do this. Take the lava. I took a lava bucket. So I seriously, if I fell now, it's over, and we're gonna need to start over if I fall. Oh my god. Please stop. Okay, there we go. So, yeah, that's it.
What the?
So look at the lava fall. Beautiful. That's gonna take forever to get away, but meh. So okay, now I should also get rid of this. Awesome.
Right, what the hell are you planning on doing here?
We're gonna see. It's easy to do it. I already did it before. I just need kind of more dirt. I think there's more than a stack of dirt if you get every single one, and none fell so far, so that's good. So this and this and this, that's good. This is good. Nice, nice. Now we have to do, I think it's like this. Gonna waste another this and this.
Right, I'm gonna stand.
Then it's like this.
Hopefully that's not in the way. Just made a crack.
Okay, so that, I think it's like that. I should probably check how it is. Or shouldn't I? Nah, I shouldn't.
What's that? Stop. Move backwards.
Whoa. Okay, so now I'm gonna do something very daring. No, actually, monkey.
Yep.
Take every single thing from the chest.
Got it.
Oh, that parkour jump is awesome. Super bra.
I'm gonna guess I need to take the chest.
No, I'm gonna take it. A nije baš zato. Okay, got the chest. Okay, so nah. So I'm just gonna put.
What the hell is that?
Move, move, move. Okay, that's there.
You put the chest in the water.
I know. I'm doing lazy parkour jumps. So chest is in a random place over here. Okay. So now I'm gonna need some dirt, please. No, actually, wait. Give me. Wait, actually, give me 2 sands. Wait, something's burning.
Oh shit! It's all there.
Something's burning.
I can't see out.
I see something burning.
One sec. I need to stop the sound there.
Nothing is burning. That was just the lava. Like randomly making noises. So there we go. So now I made this.
I was gonna say we need a way up here. Right.
Look, see?
Put all this stuff back in.
Yeah. Now it looks like very crowded, but it's gonna be all better soon. So now I'm gonna go to the chest, and I need a bucket. And what else?
Everything's in there.
The other dirt. Okay, that's great. So I go here again. And now what was I gonna do? Oh, it's like this, and then this.
Seriously, what are you doing?
You're gonna see. Okay, so please don't lose this, or please. Awesome. Don't lose this one. Oh, good. So it's gonna.
As long as you push up against it, it'll.
What?
As long as
So this is like this. And then, how is it gonna go again? Yeah,
don't use all the wood.
I know.
Because you do still need to make a net.
What? No, we don't need to make a bed.
Pick.
Oh.
You know, pick up.
Okay, so for the pickaxe we need 1, 2. We need 5 for the pickaxe. 1, 2, 3,
Yeah,
4,
I think-
5. There. You got 5?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. So like this. So this is where the lava is going. So this. Crap. Someone on here knows it. You need to get one. Some more stuff. Watch a monkey.
Yeah.
Go stand into the water, middle of the water. Never mind, forget it.
I'm stood as close to you as possible. In the water.
Ah, skimmy. Okay, awesome. Now this is how it's going.
It's a bit close.
Actually, I need one more. I need.
What? There.
Oh, no, it's good. Just this. Awesome. So now I'm gonna need the lava. Some jumping.
Why did you even place that lava?
So I could get the bucket. Oh no, actually, the lava needs to stay there.
Oh well, that music is loud. Sorry.
Go stand into the middle of the water right now.
Yeah.
Go into the middle of the water. Are you?
Directly on. Naughty.
Naughty boy.